Welcome to the next part. So, in the last session, I have been given this question as the homework. How many of you did this question? If you got the answer, just to drop your answer in the comment section. If you are liking our videos, lectures, just to click that like button. Try to share it with all your friends. So we know why the effort that we are putting should be utilized by all our people. So I hope you all will support us. Okay. So let us see the answer for this question. How many of you got it? First of all, apply your common sense. Sir, let us see what will happen, whether it is indeterminate form or not, and how to solve this question. So let us take the answer. Let us proceed further. The solution for this question is, if I am taking the same function limit x is approaching a, yes sir, whereas given it is what, x minus a, in the power we are keeping x minus a. What we are going to do, replace x by a. If I am replacing x by a, then it will become a minus a, again in the power it will become a minus a. So what it will be, a minus a will become 0, in the power also a minus a will become 0. Do you know the value of 0 power 0? How many of you know this? If I am putting some other values, like if I am asking you to find out the value of 1 power 0, you can write 1. If I am asking you to write the value of e power 0, yes sir, I can write 1. If I am asking you to write down the value of 10 power 0, you can write 1. Yes. But if I am asking you to write down the value of 0 power 0, what will you write? Sir, this value itself, it is 0, sir. I don't know what can be the expected answer for this. So this is called another form of indeterminate form. So far we understood the actual meaning of 0 by 0 and infinity upon infinity. Now we are entering into one more new concept, 0 power 0, and we also don't know literally what to do. So whenever you are observing this case, immediately you have to enter in your mind that we are going to take log on both sides. Always, whenever you are solving a problem, something in the power like this, in this format, always remember that definitely one more mathematical tool is going to help us in order to bring the answer for this type of question. How do I do that, sir? Let us take this function. What it is given? Limit x minus x is approaching to a, x minus a in the power we are having x minus a. So let us take some other color. Let us try to figure out the answer. See, given it is limit x is approaching to a, yes sir. So x minus a in the power we are having x minus a. I told whenever you are having some function in this format, here also we are having the same format, in the numerator also same function is appearing. So what we have to do, nothing need to do, just treat this whole function, take this whole function as f of x, just you can treat in this way, and equal to y. You have to write the function like this, y is equal to, I am writing the function, just observe, x minus a in the power of x minus a. This we know this will be simply written as y is equal to f of x format, normal mathematics. Okay sir, step number 1, I am taking both LHS and RHS, that is left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side I am just keeping, I am just calling this whole function is y. Step number 2. Step number 2 is take log on both sides. If I will take log, then what will happen? Let us see. Log of x minus a whole power x minus a. If some of you are not aware of these functions, no issues. The thing is, same type of problems are going to be repeated, only they will be changing the other values just to give some twistings. But these mathematical tools are constant. Whenever you are facing this type of formats, immediately you have to apply log, you will be getting the answer. It doesn't matter whether they are what type of functions they are giving. So first time whenever you are learning some basics, you have to understand it properly. That is is required here. Okay sir, fine. After taking log on both sides, what you will be getting? Let us see. Log y is equal to, see here I would like to tell you something. Log of a power b can be written as b into log a. Next mathematical tool. If I will apply that logic here, log of a power b, so this will come here. Yes, x minus a into log of x minus a. We applied this step number 2. After applying this step number 2, my sincere suggestion is, once again, see, if you are observing two separate function in the form of the limit that you are going to substitute. See, what we are going to substitute, in place of x we are going to substitute a, and if you observe they are separate. Here I am having one x minus a, here I am having log of x minus a, but they are separated, they are in multiplication. So whenever you are observing two functions, in these two functions are in multiplication, and there we are going to substitute the value for x. I am repeating one more time. There are two functions, they are in multiplication. In both functions we have to replace x by a. In that case, keep any one function in the numerator and another function in the denominator. How can I keep? Can I write like this? Denominator of denominator will be in numerator only. So I can write 1 by 1 minus 1 by x minus a can be written as again x minus a only. So let me show it separately. 1 upon x minus a can be written as x minus a again. So you can write in this form. Okay sir. So if you, why we need to write in this way sir, such that your answer will become very easy after writing this way. So step number 1, what I told you, observe if it is in the power format, take log on both sides, then check if you have two functions, then if they are in multiplication and there are two functions, in both functions if you are going to apply the limit, if the question itself, if you observe carefully, sir, in both functions I have to apply the limit. In that case, keep one function in the numerator, pass another one function in the denominator in this format. After that, now apply the limit one more time. We know what is the limit here. Limit C. Don't touch RHS. At last again we are going to bring the original function. Our original function is y. Y is equal to x minus a whole power x minus a only, right? But here we are having log y. So this log y, we will be again replacing this log y by y at last, final step. Till that, don't touch the LHS, just leave it. Only keep your attention with the RHS. Substitute the limit. X is approaching a and the function given it is log of x minus a upon x minus a. Now what can be the answer now? Just to try to figure out the answer for this function. 1 minute. Yes. So the answer for this function is going to be log of x will be replaced by a. Here also x will be replaced by a. So a minus a will become 0 sir, divided by again what will be getting, log of a minus a. Here also it is going to be 0 only. Yes or no? Yes sir, it is absolutely correct. Now what you will be getting here, if you observe this function carefully, what we are going to get, the function is going to give you, sir, what is the value of log 0 here? Sir, log 0 will be approaching to infinity. Yes sir. And here see, I made a mistake. It will be 1 upon x minus a, right? Just correct it. This is not correct. It should not be here. We have to written 1 upon x minus a. That is what we are writing, right? So you have to write. Now replace x by a. Now what will be getting? It will become 1 by 0. This 1 by 0 will give you infinity. Yes sir. Are you getting me? It is log of x minus a divided by 1 by x minus a. When you are replacing x by a, 1 by 0 will give you infinity. So in the denominator also we will be getting infinity only. Numerator also we will be getting infinity only. Why sir? Because the value, most of you guys are thinking log 1 equal to 0, that is correct. But this, it is not vice versa. When I am putting log 0, most of you are writing 1. That is wrong. This is infinity. So it is in infinite by infinite form. Infinite by infinite form means it is once again in indeterminate form only sir. If it is in indeterminate form, then as per the rule, what we have to do, take the function LHS. LHS what we are having? Sir, sorry, RHS. Only focus on RHS. Don't touch LHS. I know in the another side we are having log y. I am not asking you to touch this. At last we will be focusing on it. Only keep your RHS function. Here I am having log of x minus a upon 1 upon x minus a. Now it's time to solve this. Tell me what is the value of f dash of x. Now I am going to differentiate the function, but remember one more thing, while doing the differentiation, numerator need to be differentiated separately, denominator need to be differentiated separately. So log of x minus a, log x, what is the differentiated value? D by dx into log x. What is this value? This will be equal to log x. This will be equal to 1 by x sir. So in the same way, if I will differentiate this function, this will be giving you 1 by x minus a. In the denominator, we are having 1 by x minus a. What is the differentiation of 1 by d by dx into 1 by x. This will give you minus 1 by x square. Yes sir. In the same way, if I will differentiate, this will give you minus 1 by x minus a whole square. That's all. Now if you observe this function carefully, 1 x minus a will get cancelled. In resultant we will be having, we can pass this minus to the numerator, divided by 1 upon x minus a. Am I right? One term will get cancelled. We are having two times, so one time will get cancelled. Denominator of denominator will come to numerator, so I can write minus of x minus a. So after deriving it, first order derivation, after doing it, now once again check limit. X is approaching to a. What we are having? Here we are having minus of x minus a. What is your answer, sir? The answer is, I have to replace x by a, so a minus a will become 0. Yes. Is it finite or not? First of all, is it in indeterminate format? No sir, it is not in indeterminate format. It is not in indeterminate format. It is determinate format only. So we got some specified value. So now you can stop your conclusion. Go to the RHS, sorry, LHS. In the LHS we have log y. Yes sir. Now take log y directly equal to 0. Log y equal to 0. But what we need? Actually, the question is, we have to predict the answer for y, not log y. Y is equal to x minus a in the power of x minus a. We were asked to find out the answer for this one, not for log y. Then how can I cancel this log? Whenever you are having log, in order to cancel the log, you have to raise the power exponential e power log y equal to e power 0. Both sides you have to raise e. That is the next tool that you have to apply. Now tell me, what is the generalized expression of e power log y? This will be simply equal to y only. Okay, this will be equal to y. That's all. So what I can do from here, I can write the answer. The answer is going to be e power log y can be written as y equal to, what is the of e power 0? This will be 1. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer for the question is 1. So I can write limit x is approaching to a, x minus a in the power of x minus a is equal to 1. That is the correct answer for this question. So what is the conclusion now? The conclusion is, so whenever we are having the function, same function but it is in the power, step number 1, we have to take log on both sides. Log on both sides. That is the first step. Then after taking the log, step number 2, don't touch LHS. Don't touch LHS. Still last step. Okay sir. Step number 3, now continuously keeping your focus on RHS, right hand side, try to derive the function. If you are getting indeterminate form, then try to get the determinant form by applying differentiation. You know how to do further. So how to take differentiation, how to apply the limits. You have to repeat till your RHS will become some specified value. Right, till it should be determinant, it should be predictable, it should not be in indeterminate form. Once it will come to determinant form, then focus on, then once you get the determinant form in the RHS side, then final step you have to take the LHS equal to RHS resultant, then take e power on both sides, raise the exponential on both sides. Here also you have to write e power something, whatever you are going to get, that you have to keep it here. In the LHS it will become y simply, in the RHS you will get the answer. That's all. So this is how we are approaching whenever we are facing this type of question. I hope you all got the clear idea about this question. Now I am willing to give one question as the homework question. You can try that question once. So first apply your common sense, try to figure out whether it is possible or not, or how to bring the answer for this question, right? You can apply just once again. Yes, the question is, take the question, limit, given it is limit x is approaching to infinity and the given function is x in the power of 1 by x. What is the resultant answer for this question? Okay, I hope you all understood the previous one. Now spend a little bit of time, understand this and apply your common sense, your mastermind, try to figure out the answer for this question. If you will get the answer, immediately drop it in the comment section. So this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.